Seems to be the time that I get out to do yoga. So I'm doing day 2, May 16th. And today I am going to, I don't remember the other warrior pose. I was going to look up a couple of warrior poses. So I have my left knee lunged forward. And I don't know if you can see me. Maybe if I put the phone a little bit more here. There. So I'm downhill a little bit. So you can put the arms out front. Today I'm at Riverside, so it is 5/16/2021, May 16th of 2021. I don't remember which warrior this is. I think it's warrior 3. My knee is lunged forward. I am at Riverside Park, if I didn't say that. So this arm is behind, this arm is in front. I'm going to do my right leg forward, my left leg back. There's people here fishing and doing disc golf, and there's people here playing with their dogs. It's a really big park. But I'll do the tree pose while nobody's looking because I'm not super great at balancing. And I'm on a little bit of a hill here, so I can be by the river. My goal is to be able to take 4 breaths without falling. I'm putting my knee on my calf because you don't put it where your knee goes. You either put it up here for advanced or down below on the calf. Okay, and now I'm going to try the other foot. Usually I'm a little bit stronger with this foot. Okay. Not today. Okay, I can do 2 breaths. Okay, I'm going to do, I don't know if there's anybody in the river on a boat, but this is a squat where you take your outside of your elbow and you put it on the outside of your knee, and then you look at your hands while you're in prayer pose. I'm going to look up at my elbow. Okay, now the other way. So your outside of your elbow is going on the outside of your knee. And I just ate flaxseed brownies. So this is a really hard pose. My tummy is full. Let's see, warriors. I'm just going to do this one again. Did this one yesterday. Just from doing these few yoga poses, I woke up with my calves were tight today. So I'm going to try to go to bed a little bit earlier and do 2 drops of magnesium, because that helps with tight muscles. And it's ridiculous to me that these couple of little poses made my calves really freak out. There's somebody over there across the river on the trail. As simple as it is, I'm just going to do the mountain pose because it just feels really good when you're doing, hands down and forward all day, to just stand with your arms reaching up. Of course, I'm on a hill, so my calves are getting a good stretch. So I did Warrior 1 and Warrior 3, and then I don't remember, the twist pose, the squatting twist pose, that's 3, and I did mountain pose, that's 4, and I did tree pose. Yay, I did 5 today. Yesterday I kept saying I was going to do 5, and I only did 4. Isn't this river so beautiful? And there's the trees. I love looking at all the different trees and the different way the trees grow. Like, see how some of them grow. Let's see, like right there, how they all grow individual in a group. And then you have like this tree over here, and it grows, a big long trunk, and then all up like this. And then over here you have that little bunch growing. And then I love all of our parks. There's that big tree right there. It's kind of old and broken, but it grew in a big base. And then let me do the camera around, it'll be much easier. There's this little area. We have bridges, the sunset, you can hear the birds. The water. And then my vehicle is way over there. So I'm going to shut the video off now.